Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create resume in Microsoft Word document. So firstly open your Office Word program and click on new, and here guys just search resume and press enter. So you will see different style resume. So check out and see which is the better for you. We can see a large number of ready to use resume. Just modify and make changes as your requirement, like this type or this type, without image or with image. And also guys, you can select the category like create teaching resume, office manager resume, organized modern resume. So here you will see purpose for creating the resume: basic modern cover letter, social media marketing resume. Just click on it and create. Now make changes at your choice and your requirement, like you can change your contact, skill, education, profile, expertise. So this way guys, this is the easy and quick way to create a resume in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.